Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. I'm going to take you around this 2020 on a 70 plate Volkswagen Transporter Shuttle. It's the latest T6.1 model, long wheelbase with the ever desirable DSG gearbox. It's a lovely factory spec, plus it's got our MASV Styling kit on it with the lower front spoiler, gloss black pack to all the grills with a matte contrast badge, and further styling enhancements around the vehicle that I'll show you. 20-inch brand new gloss black alloy wheels with brand new Uniroyal tyres all round too. We've got 30mm lowering springs. You can see it's got the sidebars and the roof rails there too, and full privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle. Moving inside, it's a 9-seater with our bespoke MASV leather trim and the carbon strips in there. Now this one, as mentioned, has got a great spec. So the Shuttle comes with front and rear park sensors as standard, along with adaptive cruise control. This one's also got the Discover Media navigation system and 3-zone climate, which is an absolute godsend in this heat that we're having at the minute. It's also a carbon flat bottom steering wheel there, but I'll show you that in greater detail as we get around the driver's side. So Shuttles, brilliant people movers, very flexible. You've got 3 individual seats in the second row. Now these will all fold and come out independently of each other. Further back you've got another row of 3. Now you can genuinely sit 9 adults in this vehicle. Another big plus, all 3 of these middle seats are Isofix. So if you need to get 3 young children in Isofix, there are the points and there is the space for them. Digital panel in the roof just to control the rear climate control. Now, as mentioned, this is a used vehicle. It's covered just shy of 12,000 miles. If I see anything, I'll point it out to you, but just it's worth mentioning, there will be the odd little stone chip or mark around it. If you look at it microscopically, there always is on a used vehicle. Just sort of like say that, so you're aware. And here we have carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. That is a hair, thankfully. There's a tiny little touch in just there, you can probably just make out on the camera. Rear parking sensors at the bottom there, and a spare wheel underneath. Got the high level rear spoiler. Just show you down the line of the vehicle. There's no dents down there at all. All panels look in good order. So moving in on the driver's side, steering wheel, just give you a closer look at that. Now these feel absolutely lovely. You've got the leather grips just here and then the carbon top and bottom. Only covered 11,713 miles. It's had its first service. It's still under warranty until late 2023. Also has Volkswagen roadside assistance until then as well. So all in all, great spec family mover, 9-seat shuttle. It is VAT qualifying, so if you're purchasing through a VAT registered business, you may be eligible to reclaim some or all of the VAT. Just talk to your accountant about that. We've got a full written description and 20+ photos on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We do take part exchanges and we can offer both business and personal finance facilities. So if you like the look of it and you're interested, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.